Removing an M.2 boot adapter, an M.2 drive. Remove the server cover. Disconnect the M.2 boot adapter cables from the system board. Remove the PCI adapter that secures the M.2 boot adapter. Press both sides of the retainers. Slide the retainer backwards to loosen the M.2 drive from the M.2 boot adapter. Lift the M.2 drive away from the M.2 boot adapter. Pull the M.2 drive away from the connector at an angle. Disconnect the power and signal cables from the M.2 boot adapter. Unfasten the screw that secures the M.2 boot adapter to the PCI adapter. Loosen the captive screw on the M.2 boot adapter. Slightly slide the M.2 boot adapter and carefully separate it from the PCI adapter.